So guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on our CAD JPY. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button to stay updated. I'll be giving you guys back-to-back updates. So you'll need to subscribe. Click on the notification bell icon to stay updated, and also follow your Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what CADJPY is currently doing. Let's start with our trend. We all know that market tends to give us three movements. Either we are trending to the upside, it's either we are trending downward, or we are ranging. With these movements, these are main movements trending to the upside. But if you take a look at your current movements, what market is doing currently, we are ranging within this level. You can clearly see it right here. The market is ranging on your CADJPY. This is your current movement. So we had this drop that came to our support level, then it gave us that bullish move that came to tap our resistance, then that drop that came to tap our support. Eventually, bullish move was made that tapped our resistance. Now take a look at this movement here. What can you see here? This is very clear. Yeah, within this ranging market move, market is giving us another movement, which is which we are going to call the minor trend, which is uptrend move, which is we are having a series of higher high and higher low. So this year, this is the high, this is the higher low, because it is this movement we want to see to be able to predict what market will be doing for us this week. This is also the high. Here's our higher low. This is also the higher high. Here's also our higher low. This is also the higher high. Here's our higher low. This is our higher high. Here is our higher low. So now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on CADJPY is a new movement to the upside. Thereby, we should be expecting a new higher high that should go to tap this previous high and possibly break above it. So that movement should be giving us about 100 plus pip, potential 100 plus pips. So you might want to wait for the pullback, a little bit of a pullback, before you hop in on the buy. And if you have to wait for the pullback and you hop in for the buy, so it starts our previous high, that will be about 130 pips, so you can see it. And if you want to expect it to push up a bit, see it form a new higher high, so 140. So that will be 150 pips. So you have about potential 150 pips movement to catch for the week on CADJPY. So you can see that a potential 150 pips movement is what you should catch. So if you can catch about 100 pips for the week, I think that will be fine, right? Above all, we should be expecting a bullish move to the upside on CADJPY. So subscribe to this channel if you've not done that.